Hello guys, myself Sandeep. Welcome to my channel Microsoft World. Today I would like to explain about how to install VMware Workstation on Windows laptop. Open Chrome browser and type vmware.com. Here click on products. Here go to and click on Workstation Player and then click on download for free. Here you can see the latest version is 17.5.0. Also we have 16.0, 15.0, also 14.0. Now I am downloading that VMware Workstation 17.5 and it is also suitable for Linux operating system as well as Windows operating system. Now I am downloading for Windows operating system. Already I have downloaded. This is the file. Double click on this and click on S. Now I am installing the file. Click on next and we need to accept the license agreement and click on next. Here it was the path where VMware Workstation Player has to install. Click on next. Click on next. Here it is a shortcut where shortcuts will appear. Click on next and install. Now VMware Workstation version number 17 was installing. It will not take more than 1 minute. Let's see. Yes, now VMware Workstation was installed. Click on finish and opening VMware Workstation. See, this was the application. Now you can see here you can create new virtual machines. Also you can open previous virtual machines also. Coming forward, I will explain how to create new virtual machines as well as how to deploy OS in that, how it will perform. Everything we will explain in next session. Thank you guys.